How do predictive models work in sports betting? Imagine having a tool that can analyze tons of sports data and give you a good idea of what might happen in a game. That's what predictive models do in sports betting. They use math and computer programs to look at past games, player stats, weather, injuries, and more. The goal is to estimate the chances of different outcomes, like which team will win or what the final score might be. First, these models gather a lot of information from many sources. They include how players perform, how teams have done in previous matches, weather conditions, and even injury reports. Once they have all this data, they clean it up to make sure it's accurate and organized. This step is important because messy data can lead to wrong predictions. Next, they apply mathematical techniques to find patterns. For example, they might use a method called logistic regression, which helps predict the likelihood of a specific event happening. More advanced models use machine learning algorithms like neural networks. These are designed to recognize complex relationships in the data that humans might miss. The models then assign weights to different factors based on how much they influence the game outcome. Once the model is trained, it can forecast future games by analyzing the current data. It estimates the probability of each possible result. These estimates are then compared to the odds set by bookmakers. If the model shows a higher chance of an outcome than what the odds suggest, it might be a good betting opportunity. This is called finding a value bet. The process doesn't stop there. The models keep learning from new data. During live games, they can update their predictions based on what's happening on the field. For example, if a star player gets injured or a key substitution is made, the model adjusts its probabilities accordingly. This makes the predictions more accurate and timely. Building a predictive model involves several steps. First, you collect detailed data from many sources. Then you clean and prepare the data for analysis. After that, you choose a suitable mathematical or machine learning method and train it on past results. Once trained, you test the model to see how well it predicts previous games. If it performs well, you can use it to forecast upcoming matches. You also keep updating the model with new data to improve its accuracy over time. The accuracy of these models can vary depending on the sport and the quality of the data. For example, tennis models often reach around 70 to 75% accuracy. Including factors like weather or player fatigue can make predictions even better. Overall, predictive models turn raw sports data into useful insights, helping bettors make smarter choices based on facts rather than guesswork. This approach is now a key part of advanced sports betting strategies and analytics.